Siya si Jeff Albea, ang creator ng nasabing trophy na ginamit sa Miss Universe o ang ibinigay bilang award sa Miss Universe. Makikita na very artistic talaga ang mga trophy. Pero paano nga ba kung ang iyong gawa ay tila hindi pinahalagahan? Yan nga ang naging panawagan ni Jeff Albea noong June 12 sa kanyang Facebook page na sinabi niya na I did not get paid. Miss Universe Philippines vanished into thin air. They refused to pay me for the trophies I designed and crafted for the coronation night. All the effort, dedication, and passion I put in creating these pieces end up ignored and disregarded when payment was due. I do not need nor will I accept a single centavo from the organization anymore. What I need now is for them to learn that artists deserve respect. We pour our hearts and souls into our creations. Our ideas don't just appear from thin air just to work for an X deal. They are the result of intense thought, deep emotions, and sleepless nights, not to mention opportunities missed, money and years spent honing our craft. I fiercely advocate for my fellow artists with unwavering passion. Not all artists can take and afford this mistreatment. Please do not let our work be taken for granted. Matapos nga ang announcement ni Jeff, ay nagsalita naman ng isang Borge Rojas. Aniya, hi guys! As head of production, we were surprised sa post ni Mr. Jeff Albea. Let me address this issue. First, last year at the Miss Philippines Finals, we paid him 150,000 pesos without any OR. Naisip namin na magandang gift siya sa mga winners para hindi lang yung crystal trophy na mura lang ang souvenir items ng mga winners. Nagbayad naman ang production agad kasi konti lang ang suppliers. During the MUPH Finals, magulo na lahat sa backstage. I admit na nakausap namin si Sir Jeff, pero on the day of the finals, pinadala yung mga artwork. And on that day, din namin nalaman through his assistant na need magbayad ng 75,000 pesos. Sa patuloy na kwento ni Borge, sinabi niyang nakakalungkot lang na nagpo-post na agad siya na magkausap naman sila ng staff. Hindi siya nakasama sa May 30 cut-off kasi walang papers. Kaya sa June 15 cut-off siya nakasama kasi magkausap sila ng staff. Kailangan din namin sa production mag-submit ng tamang papeles kasi walang kasulatan with Sir Jeff sa terms. Pero kahit ganun man, wala namang tinatakasan. Pero yung tatakasan ng 75,000, bakit namin gagawin yun? Last October, binayaran namin siya. Pero since malaki ang MUPH, need namin ang proper documentation. Again, hindi ang MUPH ang nagkamali dito sa production side. Kailangan naming i-defend sa management kahit walang billing or invoice. Nagyas naman agad ang management sa amin, pero sa as usual na may billing and proper documentation lang para pagdating sa filing ng taxes, ma-defend namin ang expenses. Lahat naman mababayaran. Samantala, narito naman ang statement ng Miss Universe Philippines. The Miss Universe Philippines organization vehemently denies the unfounded allegations made by Jeff Albea regarding the payment for the trophies he supplied. Contrary to his claims, we have had communications with his staff on this matter. He categorically denied that the MUPH organization neither refused to pay, disregard, or ignored payment for the trophies. In accordance with the standard procedure of billing for suppliers to sponsors, MUPH needs proper documentation for the said transaction. Miss Universe Philippines will not hesitate to pursue legal action to address and resolve this unfounded accusation. We urge the public to refrain from spreading misinformation and have faith that the truth will ultimately prevail. Narito naman ang naging komento ng mga anonymous commentator mula sa Fashion Police. Anila, I work in BIR, ang Miss Universe PH organization ang mali. Mark my words. Say naman ng isa, kaya lang kanya-kanya sila ng kwento. Nag-press release, oh, can't wait for things to unfold then. nakuha nyo na ang trophies, na-disperse na, I don't think walang naging usapan or documentation prior to delivery, need nyo na pong magbayad, ang dami pang palusot. Ilan pang naging say ng iba. Simple lang yan kung may bagay na ibinigay sa'yo, tinanggap mo at yung bagay na yon may katumbas na halaga, pero pera man o ibang bagay at may kaukulang panahon na ang halagang ito ay dapat ibigay. Pwedeng tiyak na petsa o panahon na tiyak na darating. Katulad ng sa susunod na paglubog ng araw, pag pumuti ang buhok ko, may simpleng kontrata na naganap, kaya hindi palusot yang walang resibo. Mas importante pa ba yung resibo kaysa mismong dun sa bagay na naibigay na? At kahit saan mang korporasyon, may mga resibo na nawawala or hindi na naibibigay. Pero hindi yun sagabal para magbayad sa dapat mong bayaran. Pinaliwanag naman ng isang netizen ang ipinaglalaban at point ng Miss Universe. Say niya, halatang walang alam sa accounting, specifically sa account payable process ang ibang nag-comment. Dito, importante ang delivery receipt as sales invoice bago mabayaran. Ito yung resibo o pagpapatunay na nagkaroon kayo ng business. Dapat naka-attach ang mga ito sa payment invoice bago pirmahan ang cheque. Say naman ng isa, tama. Well, sa mga nais mag-suggest dyan o komento, pwede nyo pong ilagay ito sa ating comment section. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.